Welcome to an introductory video of graph scale controls in DATS. In this video, we'll show you how to navigate your DATS graph window. We will teach you how to zoom, scale, and pan the data you have. To get a closer look at the part of the signal we need, we just draw a box around it. This lets us zoom in and see that specific section of data better. Let's click the Auto Scale button to scale back our data. We can also use the mouse wheel to scroll in or out. Scrolling clockwise will zoom in on the data, whilst scrolling anti-clockwise will zoom out. If you don't have a mouse wheel, we also have a zoom button which has the same effect. Left click will zoom on the data and right click will zoom out. The whole length of our scroll bar represents the whole length of our data. We have a scroll bar in both axes. We can use this as a tool to zoom in on the data. This scroll bar shows us the part we are looking at. We can drag this scroll bar to show us a different part. We can also make this data bigger or smaller by tweaking the size of this scroll bar. For instance, if we wanted to look at the time we are interested in, we can do this by bringing up the properties of the graph. To do this, double-click our data. This will open another window called Graph Properties. We can see our ranges here. If we wanted to look at data between the 10 and 12 second marker, we just type it in and click OK. We can see that the data matches our specified time. We hope this has given you an understanding of how to navigate graph scale controls in DATS.